Alright, kids. So we're gonna do... Camera's gone to shit. I mean, gotten to piss. I lost like a few minutes of footage just now because I had this cool gag where the pencil rolled underneath the microwave over here, and then like in anger I would just like slam the phone against the table, and then I did that, and then the battery to my phone got dislodged, and I lost quite a bit of footage, so that sucks. So let's learn to draw a bit. All right. Now remember, kids, there are no mistakes. There's just happy accidents, like 9/11. So first thing you're gonna do. Wait, shit. What are we gonna draw? All right, kids. What we're gonna draw is we're gonna draw Garfield, the wacky cartoon cat. You might know him from Garfield's Power Force. Garfield Gets Real. Garfield His 9 Lives, where he mauls a lady to death. Garfield saves the kids. Garfield eats shit and dies. And Garfield eats shit and dies too, the sequel. So what we're gonna do is draw the famous cartoon character, Garfield the Cat. So first thing you're gonna do is draw his big ol' titty eyes. There you go. I hear them called titty eyes, but I don't think they look like titties. They don't look nothing like titties. But don't draw that second eye real quickly, because that's where we're gonna add a big ol' fast and bulbous nose. There you go. He's got his nose. He's got his nose. All right. Then what we're gonna do is draw his eyelids. Now, since Garfield's always really angry cat, he's gonna have some angry eyes. He's always like, John, you son of a fucking bitch, where's my spaghetti? He's gonna have like the slit eyes, cause he's Asian. Alright, now what you're gonna do is draw his Mark Twain mustache. And how that is just draw big ol' swirly. Now if we were gonna make him smiley, we'd stop here with this line. But what we're gonna do is just extend it on and curve it slightly back. Alright. Now you might think, well, that looks fucking stupid. He looks like a sperm. Shut up. Alright. So what we're gonna have to do is draw his big ol' fluffy, furry cheeks. And so he's got cheeks. So you just draw it's kinda like Sonic head. And there you go. Now he's got the cheek. Alright. Shit, we're running out of footage space. Next thing you do is draw this other part. Now this is gonna be slightly smaller because of course this is taking up most of the face, and this is all gonna be like behind the head. That's a little thing us in the art world call perspective. God, I hope the audio is not shit. So what we do is we just start off from here and just go whoop. Draw the other cheeky. Oh shit. There you go, guy the frown. And you add the ear holes. Now since cats usually have triangles, but I think Garfield had a genetic defect because he's got the slit eyes. So he has little rounded ears. They're kind of like, we'll draw like bunny ears or willies on the top of his head. And what we're going to do is connect. It is like, you know those math problems where it's like they take the two lines and make the third to make a right triangle? We're going to do that with his bunny ears. So he just does that. Yeah. Now just pretend that there's like a third line here. Just draw to that. Alright. And then since he's a fat fucking piece of fucking shit, take that out. That's called cinematography. What we're gonna do is draw a big old circle right here to contain his big old brain. Because you see, before Rick and Morty, there was Garfield. I like that part on Channel 101 where he said the N-word. That was really cool. So then you draw it on the other side too, because he's got two sides of a head. He's got a big old brain. His name should be Garfield Sanchez. He should be like, hey, Odie, Modi, lick my ball sack to make the time card work. Gotta bring the camera back. Alright, and then we draw his fucking non-existent neck. He just has like a couple of stubs here to represent his fat fuck rolls. And then you draw his arm. You might think to draw his body first, but that's fucking retarded. You're fucking retarded. Okay? What type of fucking retard would do that fucking shit fucking fuck? So what you do is you draw a big old lump here, because in case you forgot, Garfield's a fat piece of shit. And you draw a couple of lines going out. So one line go here. The other line would go, here. See that? That's his arm. Arm friggin' completed. And then you just make a little hand. So I don't like doing hands, so what I do is I just phone it in. Just, there you go. Garfield's got a friggin' hand. Trust me, it won't matter eventually. I'll show you why. And then you draw his shoulder. He's gonna have shoulder pads for me. He's a businessman. He's a fat cat. He's a bourgeoisie vampire. And you draw his big old ass cheeks. That's one of his ass cheeks. And he's gonna have a backbone. And over here, he's gonna have a tail. And he's gonna send out over here. It's going like, woo! Yeah. You see, that's the fur, because he's a furry. You get the other line. Wow. Hey, look, Garfield's got a tail. It looks like a shark tooth. But you know what, Garfield's radical. Let me do angry eyebrows. He's an angry boy. Let's give him a little thing too. That's gonna be his tongue. There's not a duty coming out of his bunghole. Then you draw his fat fuck stomach. Now, since he's such a fat piece of shit and he can't see his own dick, we don't need to worry about this whole, like, overlapping with his legs. Let's just draw this shit. He's got 3 lines for legs. His willy hurts, but at least he's easy to draw. Sorry, I've been sick as fuck for the past several years. Alright. So now what we're going to do is add all the trademarks of Garfield. And we're also going to add the little tail thing. I forgot what his tail entirely looks like. I haven't seen Garfield in the theater since I was 2. Oh shit, we're coming up on 10 minutes. Okay, you draw shit on his face, head. Draw one on his back. Draw one on his fat fucking asshole. Happy trail. And I don't think he's got one for his leg. Oh shit, we gotta draw his Zack Schneider feet. Just over here. Now, if you want to add feet, this is how you draw Garfield's disgusting fucking piece of shit feet. Gotta just more toes, add more toes. Get a fat piece of shit here, over here, and there's his dong.
Thumbs up for drawing. Yeah.
Okay. Fuck, we're getting really long. I don't want to edit all this. So next, you do the shading, and what I do for shading is I choose a light spot right here. It's gonna be closer to us, so the shadow's gonna be behind him. Then you just go fucking haywire. Jesus Christ. I wanna go to art school. Okay, shade that part too. His arm needs shading. He's got to shade his arm. Okay, get the leggies. Yeah, that shit. Tail. And his fat fucking feet. You gotta have the ground indications. Jim Davis is all about the ground indications. Alright. Try that shit over here. Yeah. Alright guys, I think I'm done. That's how you draw Garfield the cat. I know this isn't very much of a vlog, but at least now you know how to draw the cat. Wait, I gotta put my signature. Alright, guys. That's how you draw Garfield the cat. Make sure to wait.
Thumbs up
Make
for
sure to
drawing.
smash that like button,
Yeah.
bros. Just like Jesus tells you to do. Make sure to also smash that like button, bros, and subscribe to my YouTube. Buy my shit on Amazon. Send me a fave over on fucking Furfin, and have a great day. Holy shit! If I lost that footage, I'd legitimately kill myself.